Are you having trouble with animals that you don't want in places that you don't want them? Pardon me. Maybe you need one of these. This is called a 360 Scarecrow, and it works 3 ways. Has the flashing light, has like a little clicking sound that annoys them, and then it has the siren that you heard that scares them away because it's telling me to go away. Stick around and let's see how this thing works. Careland 360 Solar Scarecrows. Smart Animal Repeller. It's supposed to be solar powered. Here's some spec information and the manufacturer's information. Supposed to repel cats, rats, raccoons, dogs, skunks, and squirrel. Here is some more specs. Sorry that my camera light's on there, but it does work from solar power or USB power. It's supposed to be waterproof. The 360 repeller is designed with PIR sensor, 2 flashing LED lights, and ultrasonic speaker in each face to repel animals from all directions. Underground plug, or you can use it standing. Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Oh, cute. Looks well made. So here's the solar collector. I'm going to assume we need to pull this off so that it works properly. We have instructions, stakes, and a USB cord. I'm not going to visit the QR code because that's not good. A cybersecurity sign tells me. Here is your after-sales warranty information. You can register to get a lifetime warranty. They thank you for shopping with them. Here are the specs again if you want to pause this video and check those out again. And here we have all the specifications. So we have a flashing LED blue light, an LED light, just like the little eyes. We have the PIR sensor, which is that. We have the ultrasonic, which is this. The top is the solar panel collector. The bottom, we have a power button here. This has a blue light. We have the USB port, which is here with a waterproof cover. And we have the sound, which is here. Kind of does look like a little scarecrow, doesn't it? Before installation, please charge the product under sunshine for 12 hours or charge with a USB cable for 6 hours. Since it's nighttime almost, I'm going to do that. Assemble the poles one by one and connect to the main part. Insert the sharp holes into the ground, fix against the wall, or put on the top of things with a flat surface directly as you require. Press down the power button to turn on the device. It will go into self-check mode, and it tells us if it's working. So we'll come back to all that. Let's charge it up for tonight. Take our charging cable. This is my charging station that I normally use, and this Anchor outlet extender is awesome. I will link it at the end of this video so that you can buy one. I'm going to open the USB cover. Oh, and it's not a C charger, so it's going to have to go in like this. Then the other end, if you have an Anchor outlet extender like I do, you can put it in like that. If you don't, you're going to have something like this to put yours in, and then plug it into electrical outlet. Since I do have the Anchor one, I'm going to do this. So don't get a signal that it's charging, but let's cut this blue light on and see what happens. Nothing so far. I'm not sure if it's charging yet. We'll come back and check later. Okay, I wasn't filming, but I hit the button and it started going off. I guess it needed a little bit of charge first. Oh, that's cute. It was flashing. It's flashing blue light off the bottom there. I cut off. Wow, it heard me. That scared me. I think this is going to work. I cut off all the lights in the kitchen so we can see what happens to it. I'm still not exactly sure how it works, but it's going to do something, right? This is a place on the porch where the raccoons usually come up. So I'm going to just not put the poles in this time. I'm going to press down the power button to turn on the device. It'll go into self-check mode. So this is the sound button. That's the power blue light mode, and that's the charging thing, and I've charged it. So I'm going to press the power button. You have to press and hold it. Okay, so I guess it's in self-check mode. Working version. Ultrasound emitting and LED lights keep flashing until the animals leave. 2. Ultrasound, LED, and alarm work at the same time to repel animals. If you want the alarming sound, press the power, the alarm button. Activate the alarming sound. A green indicator light will remain on the facade. Not really sure what that means. Guess we'll test it and see what happens, won't we? I just had a deer walk by. Okay, I turned it so that the solar panel is up, and it should be operating version. The green indicator lights turn on, which it is on. The horn emits ultrasonic waves in frequency. The white lights keep flashing, and the horn continues to alarm until the animal leaves the sensing range. Guess we're good to go. I had 4 raccoons. I'm down to 1. I had this loner raccoon that was on my porch every single night. Most of the time he was on there a couple of times a night, along with a possum. The first night, he just looks like he's more curious about it than scared of it, but he never came back. Then my mom saw 3 baby raccoons, and also they were more curious about this one, but then it eventually did scare them off. Haven't seen any of them in the past week return to the porch or anything at all, so not sure exactly how this works, but I'm going to let you see these videos without me talking. I've had the Scarecrow out for about a week now. I haven't seen any raccoons or any other kind of animals, no cats, no possums, or anything like that come up since the last episode that I showed you. I think it is effectively scaring them off, which now gives me the confidence I need to clean my porch. I just didn't want to clean it before because I didn't want those critters crawling up after I've pressure washed my porch. So I have it sitting. You can see I need to pressure wash my porch, don't I? So this is how far away I have it from the edge of the porch, and it's getting plenty of solar power to charge it. I haven't had to bring it inside and charge it on the USB or anything like that, so I'm very happy about that. I haven't changed anything on my porch since I've used this. I've left everything exactly the same so that I could say that it was for sure the Scarecrow. For the stakes, if you want to put those in there, just put them together like this. I have terrible fine motor skills. It's still pretty easy. You can use all three of them. You want to make it longer, and then just stick it in the bottom. It's that simple. And then you would just stick it in the ground wherever you want it to be. I like having mine on the porch so that I can move it around, but you can see that you could use this stake and really put it anywhere you want to. So, strange, but yeah, it seemed to work. The stake also comes apart easily if you decide that you don't want to use it. I like that. Gonna cut it back on. Let it do its thing. She is good to go for the night. I know you wanted to hear it one more time. Thanks for watching my video about the 360 Scarecrow. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's going to go off any minute now, isn't it? It's free to leave a comment. It's free to share this video. And if you'll check in the text below, I'll provide a link on how you can buy one of these or something similar from this company. Yes, me a little bit if you use that link. And until next time, let's just help each other solve problems. And remember that we are the dominant species. Yes, we are. Thank you very much. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Bye.